Because I'm not over him.
I'm over him.
Oh, you're over him.
Be over someone or something. Be over someone or something ឃ្លាមួយនេះមានន័យថាកាត់ចិត្តឬដាច់ចិត្តពីអ្វីមួយឬនរណាម្នាក់ឬលែងមានអារម្មណ៍ចំពោះរបស់នោះឬមនុស្សម្នាក់នោះដូចមុនទៀតឧទាហរណ៍ I'm over my ex for real this time. I'm over my ex for real this time. មានន័យថាខ្ញុំកាត់ចិត្តដាច់ពីសង្សារចាស់របស់ខ្ញុំមែនទែនហើយលើកនេះឧទាហរណ៍មួយទៀត I think he'll be over it soon. I think he'll be over it soon. មានន័យថាខ្ញុំគិតថាគាត់នឹងកាត់ចិត្តពីរឿងនឹងឆាប់ៗ
I'm quite over him, Lizzie.
Got over him.
Okay, I'm over her.
I'm just gonna tell him it's over.
Well, it doesn't matter. I'm over him.
You're over her?
You're not over your ex.
I'm over her. Way over.
I'm over you.
Ugh, I'm over him.
Because I'm not over him yet.
No, I'm over it. She can have him.
I'm over him.
I'm over him and he's over me.
Don't worry, I'm over him.